Hey guys, it's Bridget Moore with the Bridget Moore Group here at our newest listing at 8526 Tombron Grove in the gated reserve section of Northgrove. This floor plan has everything and more you want, with over 5,300 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a porte-cochere with 3-car garage and motor court, plus 2 bedrooms down, formal dining, game room, and media room. This recent construction home offers so many updates with all the bells and whistles. You've got wood floors throughout most of the home. The kitchen is a chef's dream with an expansive breakfast bar, double ovens, glass insert cabinets that go to the ceiling, and then a custom range. You've got a mudroom plus a huge laundry room with a sink and tons of storage with a floored attic plus additional storage under the stairs. This home is on a corner lot, which allows for additional privacy. You've got one neighbor plus backed to a protected reserve. You can enjoy entertaining or relaxing on your patio with a 2-story covered back patio, plenty of room for a pool, and the play system can stay. Northgrove is a master plan community zoned to Magnolia ISD. Enjoy being surrounded by fine dining, retail, Market Street, and so much more. For any questions or to schedule a tour, give the Bridget Moore Group a call today.